How's everyone doing today? Today in our video, what we're gonna go over is just how dumb people look when they get in front of the camera, just like this. And then I'll go on LinkedIn and get my pod, and then we'll all just kind of conspire to game the algorithm. What I would like to challenge you to do, some interesting thing about the way that we handle our content. You should go to our YouTube channel and see just how many people we follow on YouTube. The answer is none. We don't follow anyone. One of my son's friends actually noticed that we had 700 subscribers, and our 700 plus subscribers. We get thousands of views on our videos, and yet we don't follow anyone. And he didn't understand that. He didn't understand how he has to follow 2,000 or 3,000 other YouTubers to get a lot of followers on his channel and to get people to watch his videos. You know what that is? That's authenticity. We're authentic. We're not gaming the system. It means that every view we get on our channel is a legitimate view. So YouTube, send the money our way. Come to my YouTube channel, subscribe, like, smash the button. Cut!